Hey guys, welcome back to Eva's World of Art, and in today's video I will not be doing the intro physically, so I'm just going to voice over the whole video. So I actually drew a small sketch of the painting I want to draw on another piece of paper just for a reference, and then I made lines and grids on the actual drawing paper. The lines and grids actually made the drawing much more easier for me. And as you can see, I'm almost done drawing. I'm just making some lines a bit more darker. So the supplies that I used today will be mentioned in the description box below. And then I started erasing the lines that I had drawn. And while I was doing this, I erased some parts and then made it darker with a pencil. So I started by coloring the painting with green watercolors. I started with green first because most of the picture is filled with green. I started with the leaves and then moved on to the grass. I made small strokes with dark green color and then made some more with a bit more darker color, and I merged it in. So the medium I used in this painting are watercolors. I painted the body of the dog with a light brown color for the first coat and then made it darker along the way. Then after that, I started doing the lotuses and the small petals on the dog's body. And then I started with the water with a light blue color. And after that, I did the small fish and then did the sun. And this is the final outcome. I outlined it with a fine liner and then did some details with a white gel pen. I don't know why, but I couldn't film the rest of the video due to some technical issues. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all loved it and enjoyed it. So please click the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.